There I do, you know. You know. See if we can pick up this judge. Ooh. Look like we would forget some weather. You know, it look like rain out for fire, Yeah man, you know me always up and about, and I've been spending some time. I went and spent some time with a DJ. Yeah man, Papie Keelo. Yeah, mosquito day in the hills, you know the song go. Yeah man, so I put together this one for y'all. I trust that you all like it. And pebbles are running out of the rain. Yeah man, but I wanna say a special shout out to all my subs. Yeah man, thank you all for the support. Yeah man, and you know the something go. Introduce a friend, introduce a family, and come on yard. Yeah man, what they do, you know.
See him there. From the start we are win. Fuck them girl, it never cost me a thing. Po, po, po. You're the lord of the ring. Be hard ball, the 40 a fling. All of the grim. From the start we are win. Touch them girl, it never. I may say, oh, Papie Keelo attack. You see me?
LY, no? LI.
I want to need piece of the video. The video will not start from the video yet down. You know, when I was making that was set to be that morning. Something strong. Bring that real. Like that?
Yeah man. One big.
Watching our Papie Keelo talk, you see me, I'm ready for that TV channel there. I'm ready for that channel there, you see me? Jamaica Yard Life. That channel there come kick with the whole place. People, give him a chance. Subscribe to him thing. Thumbs up on him video. Put a comment and make him know him a do him thing. You see me? Them man are hunt down the whole place, whole heap of wild animal. You know where the grimy side go. Naturality. See me? Jamaica. Natural Jamaica this. So stick around with the dog channel man. Help build him thing. Don't joke. Up top.
We're out right now with Big there and I rub me a drink the Jamaican white rum. You see that? That is it. You know it's Black Blood Royal. I telepathic entity, you see me? We represent for Jamaican Yard Life right now. And right now we're live and direct. I beat up some white rum. You hear that Jamaican style? That is it. We are the Spanish boss there right now.
No, I go when you're touching Jamaican Yard Jamaican Yard Life.
Don't want to be getting up.
You see me? Music our culture, you see me? And
the natural herbs there.
You see me?
You know what a meditation right now.
The thing go, bro. We just there with Jamaica Yard Life channel, and we just there a vlog this artist shit. You see me? No joke.
No camera chicken up. So we live every day.
Aki tree cater in the same speed. You see it? Jamaican Yard Life. You see it?
One blood, black blood.
Just tune into them youth, man. Go and support them thing. You see me?
Trust me, I'd like to introduce you all to, but we just take it one step at a time. Yeah man, what they do? The average. Yeah man, just enjoy life what it is. No preservative, no additive. You know my style already. One love. Yeah man, come on here, let me show you all what's popping. Yeah man.
Po!
But I'm just saying. Yeah man, so I exit the spacecraft at the moment. Yeah man, Papie Keelo, see him where we now.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, we're up and about and we're there, New Kingston most naturally. Yeah man, we just stop by and enjoy the karaoke next door. Yeah man, we carry man. Right man. But you know me already. Me always a chat now, so the DJ call me a while ago and me there far. No place like yard, man. We keep
Watch
the
out,
energy
we
up.
out see you
Yeah,
with
man.
Jamaica Yard Life.
Proper
Keep up
something.
with the flag, yeah. Mad, subscribe.
Yeah,
Boom.
man. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Trust me,
Same
it
speed.
really
Thumbs
does
up.
help. Yeah, man. I hit the notification bell. Yeah, man. So you can get all the new stuff when we drop them. As is, no preservative. Alright, man. So you know this something go. I always take the time out to show y'all around the place. Yeah, man. So y'all can see the beauty we miss it. Yeah, that's how I see it. Yeah, man. Take a look through the camera and look at it.
You know when the browse them out see me, you know. Nah, go in, got the road, do something up back. Right.
Center, just fly up. We outside, man.
Outside like every day.
I will carry them outside the outside.
Who know?
Yeah, man. So we stop on there and do some sightseeing most naturally. Yeah,
Tweeny.
Yeah, man.
Tell me when you're ready.
Alright, man.
You ready?
Yeah, hold on.
I sang them, I video my new music and thing. I sang them I get streamed on YouTube, Spotify, Amazon, Apple. Music video on Vivo. You don't know, Papie Keelo music. We have more songs for drop, a lot more. We actually have an EP where we just finished right now. Can look out for it. El Chapanor Lifestyle, man. Feature a couple bad artists, so the work on, you see me? And we have more songs for drop, more music video. It not stop. As you can see, we in the city. We not sleep. You see me? 24 hours. We up. God, we're out here. So, El Chapanor EP that I got bad, 6 songs. And I have a music video for one of the songs them. So you can tune into Papie Keelo music for all of that. Tune into me thing, man. Subscribe. Just to, may I tell yourself to subscribe to the channel at Jamaica Yard Life. Subscribe to Papie Keelo Vivo. It's official, you see me? This is a mini interview, you see me? Just few questions. I hope you keep up with the channel. So when we drop the right interview, the real interview, the official interview, when you get it. Mad. Music on the way. Keep tuning. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Yard Life. Ho! Just subscribe to the channel so when we drop the official interview, you can hear, you can see it, you can watch it. Jamaica Yard Life. Mad to the world.
You know them guys that do them thing, you see it? Yeah, man, no place like what? Yeah, it's a blessing, man. And me always find a little spot to soak up the energy in and around the place. You know, even though in a country we're there. At the moment, yeah, man, town have it beauty, it natural beauty as well. Yeah, man, so, you know, there's something go. We just there and we just keep it natural. I bring back that positive energy there, back into the place, that positive vibe there, where to motivate youths, yeah, man, to do the right thing. Keep getting up, getting about, getting out there, and do the right thing. Yeah, man. You know me already, always down to earth, most naturally. Them boy over corner do them one thing, you see? Yeah, man. Even though we link up, my style, they always try to soak up all of this. Yeah, man. No place like Yard, man. But trust me, it's a blessing to know that you have friends from foundation. Yeah, man, where you can come together from time to time and just share that positive love there from within. Yeah, man, things will make you come together, not because Papie Keelo is an artist. That means we are linked, you know. It's far more rooted and grounded than what it is. Yeah, man, so that is the reason why I am gonna show y'all Yard as is. Yeah, man, so I'm a virgin. I know there's something go. Him talent and music. Likewise, the Akichi catering, you know. Kemar is a man ever cook it. Yeah, man, never take your hand done fashion, but come here, let me show you all what's popping, man. A whole heap of love, you know. Yo, them boy ready. I do it once. Come on, yard. Yeah, man, we are forward, man. Yeah, man, yeah, so, man. You know me already. Then I top out too long, you know. Everybody there, yeah.
Subscribe, like, and
Telepathic
share.
entity.
Yeah.
Angel themselves for win.
Interview alone. Boom.
I man, we just keeping it real as
Make
usual.
sure you send it to your friend.
Yeah, man.
Your auntie, your uncle, and your granny too.
Proper.
I think Rob.
Yeah, they want to ever hire up with it, you know, Kemar. He's a man who does always easy. Yeah, man. In every group or every friendship, you know, there's something. Go! Yeah, man, there's always that silent fella or that fella who does easy going. Hi, chef. Yeah, man. We're keeping it real. DJ know is a man who always have to up and about. Is it? That's how we keep it. Yeah, man. And family. Yeah, man. Hella. Politics. Alright, man. Come my yard, let me show you all what's perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, I eat, man.
Oh, we get enough money from it.
Yeah, man, the time is a little bit dark because it's night. Yeah, man. So I exit the spacecraft again. Yeah, man, stop at another location with a DJ Papie Keelo, most naturally. Yeah, man, and this is just a small insight, you know, how the general living life. Yeah, man. But yeah, I'll just keep it natural. Be a bleachings, me I tell you what. From when?
From Friday night.
Friday night.
Yeah.
You never bring on.
Yeah?
You never
See that
bring.
one here, man. See me? So we then about to lift up and we can wait.
Yeah, man. I make a run left y'all, and you know there's something go. We're there with the DJ, so him have a few words he want to share with y'all before him tap out his head. So,
Right now with that Orange Street, you see me? Kingston. People just log into the dog channel. Support the dog, no man. Really like one of we know. You hear me told you? I come back on the channel with another vlog. That one you gonna be more serious and the interview. Yeah. This is an uncut thing, so tune in, man. I'm out.